In today's video, we bring you the popular Microsoft Designer range of keyboard and mouse. We will cover what's in the box, the key features that make this range stand out, and finally, whether it's worth buying. Make sure to watch until the end of this deep dive for our thoughts. Although the Designer keyboard and mouse can be purchased separately, today we are featuring a combo that comes as a pair. Let's take a look at what's in the box. As usual, I am posting this review after a few months of using the product, just to ensure I understand it well before reviewing it for you. As we open the box, you can see the keyboard and mouse tucked away in sleek packaging. It also comes with a few pieces of paperwork, but nothing much beyond that. I'd like to show you the mouse first, especially to highlight the design language. You may notice it's not very Microsoft-like, not even like the new Surface Range design. It's just a bit different, with more curves and an extremely low-profile design. You can get a sense of how thin the mouse is from this angle. The power button under the mouse, when pressed longer, also sends the mouse into pairing mode. Returning to the design, check out the battery compartment. It features a magnetic lid that works very well, opening effortlessly while staying neatly in place otherwise. With such a mouse design, you either love it or hate it. There is no in-between. Now onto the keyboard. Yet another design shift from the usual boxy Microsoft design story. This keyboard is way too sleek. Typing on it gives you an Apple-like feel with the sleek, low-profile, quiet keys. It's definitely good looking and lives up to the user experience, especially if you enjoy typing as you would on a laptop. If you are in the mechanical keyboard camp, you may not enjoy using this as it's too silent to use. Although not too big, the keys are decently spaced and arranged. There is even a dedicated numeric keypad, if that's something you enjoy using as well. I like the minimalist design and size, especially if you're carrying it around or using it independently when your laptop is docked. If you notice, the battery compartment is cleverly designed as well. It doubles up to give the keyboard an angle of lift while housing the AAA batteries, which works out well. I found the battery life to be good, considering that it hasn't asked me to change it in the past few months of use. On the side, you can find the Bluetooth pairing icon. This model does not require any dongle and can pair easily with multiple devices as needed. Now let me give you a feel of how the keys might sound like. After using this keyboard and mouse for a few months, I really like the keyboard and might continue using it for a while. However, the mouse is not my preferred design. It feels too low, as if I were placing my palm on the floor. In contrast, the keyboard is a definite buy for me, especially if you switch between a laptop and a docking station often, as it makes for an easier transition. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll leave a link to the product as usual for you to check out. Thanks again for giving us the most valuable asset, your time. Have a great week ahead.